Oh, yeah!
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, northern Dekalb County in north-central Illinois,
Ooh,
southwestern
we're technically in it.
County
Awesome.
in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 a.m. At 11:16 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Done.
The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour.
Shows our gapping.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas.
Yeah, I know.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Belvedere, Hunley, Loves Park, Rico, Parkland Grove, Genoa, Hampshire, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Kirkland, Kingston, Timberlane, Union, Garden Prairie, and Fairdale.
What?
Flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around.
Yeah,
Don't drive when
Timberlane's
encountering the
like,
flooded
I didn't
roads.
walk there.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What's going on
Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding
Flash flood warning.
for the rest of tonight.